Correct way to use get underscore or underscore create? I'm trying to use get underscore or underscore create for some fields in my forms, but I'm getting a 500 error when I try to do so. One of the lines looks like this. The error I get for the above code is
from the documentation get underscore or underscore create. Explanation. Fields to be evaluated for similarity have to be mentioned outside defaults. Rest of the fields have to be included in defaults. In case create event occurs, all the fields are taken into consideration. It looks like you need to be returning into a tuple, instead of a single variable. Do like this.
Get underscore or underscore create returns a tuple.
Get underscore or underscore create returns a tuple. Created has a Boolean value, is created or not. Customer.source has an object of get underscore or underscore create method.
Following at Tobu answer and at Mipedi comment, in a more Pythonic way, if not interested in the created flag, I would use